This tiny cloth claims it can erase car scratches in seconds, but is NanoPolix actually legit or just another internet scam? So I went deep into the internet rabbit hole, and what I found is honestly wild. NanoPolix says their nanotech cloth can remove scratches, scuffs, oxidation, and restore your paint instantly. Their website is filled with glowing 5-star reviews and dramatic before and after videos. But here's where things get suspicious. Scam check websites gave the domain a low trust score because the website is extremely new and there aren't many verified independent reviews. Then I checked Reddit, and people had mixed experiences. Some users said scratch removers can work, but only for light surface scratches on the clear coat. Others said these viral nano cloths are basically overpriced microfiber towels with aggressive marketing. And here's the biggest catch nobody tells you. If the scratch is deep enough to feel with your fingernail, no magic cloth is fixing that. That usually needs polishing, paint correction, or a professional repair. So is NanoPolix a scam? Not 100%, but based on the evidence, it looks more like a heavily marketed scratch polishing product, not a miracle repair tool. If you're buying it, lower your expectations and never believe those instant perfect repair ads, because sometimes the scratch disappears in the video, but your money disappears in real life. Follow for more internet product investigations.